Today we are looking at Mapo Tofu. This is a less spicy Japanese version. Let's dive in. Start off by finely chopping a leek. Straighten it lengthways and then chopping horizontally. I just say this once, just 3 cloves of garlic. I can feel you itching to put the whole bulb in. You monster. Finely diced dice. Peel a knob of ginger. Ginger for freshness and happy feels. Also finely diced dice. Beautiful. Grab your tofu. For whatever reason, slice on the diagonal. Maybe as you Japanese like fancy tofu. Look at the angles. Do your best not to break up the tofu. And prep them. Boil up some water. And pop in your tofu. Then strain out the tofu and set aside. Now heat up the oil. And add in the meat. Then add in the leeks, ginger and garlic. And give it a good stir. Now you brown off everything. Add in the chili bean sauce. And add a mixy mix. Add in water. Easy. And in the Weiba or Chinese stock, sugar. Sprinkle in Szchewan peppers. Now it's time for our stuffed tofu. Don't try to mix around too much. You wanna give it a good squish so you don't break up the tofu. Mix in some starch. Another swish to get everything mixed. Add in a little more starch if need. Give it another swishy swish. Seems pretty good to me. Put it up time. Get a good bowl over it and today we are pairing it with Calpis Sour, which when you say it in English sounds like Calpis. Still tastes good though. Stick your nose in there. Taste test time. Itadakimasu. Oishii. Spicy but not too spicy. I'm gonna go eat way too much with this. Till next time.